ule he video hian Nielit CCC Chapter 6 Kanzirdona Chapter 6 Topic 2 Introduction to Internet, WW and Web Browsers ani. Amasa in Basic of Computer Networks. Computer networks kanti hian network kanti chu group of interconnected computers tinani a. Group of interconnected computers kanti chu computer pakhat ai tam inzom khom chuan computer network arun siamani. Computer chu inzom khom chuan communicate in biak poton te olsama resource share te olsama resource te information te resource kanti hian printer example a printer lo lata ila khol somthum chu ka zom vekta khol somthum chuan printer somthum nei ve zel angai lawa printer pakhat po kha kanin hmang trom the ni network mang khan kanin zom veka computer khan computer somthum chuan voi khata an print du vek kher lota khami printer pakhat kha an share the ni chu share resource ti na ni. Network masaber chu ARPANET kanti ni a. ARPANET lampum chu Advanced Research Project Agency Network ani a. Hemi hi US Department of Defense te mu chua ani a. Chu I network masaber ani a. Indo lai an mu chua ani a. Chuwangin Department of Defense ani a mu chuak tu te hi Indo lai khan I amishing vakal kher lawin mun pakhat atanga mun danga information in thon dan khol mang khan khaka an zera chiam dan te khati khan I computer pali an zom khom phota mun chi sang sanga pali chu an da ati khan network mang khan anin zom ta heta computer 1 atanga computer 3 ata khan information athona ti khan mishing kal kher lawin information anin share ton the ni chu network masaper ARPANET tu ni. Communication model. Communication ti nan internet chu kan hmanga communication model a chuan source system oma destination omani communication kan ti reng hian chuan source le destination om china source kan ti chu achwana ni a destination chu avathleng athlen tur khani a chu hei hi general block diagram ani a anwai mi hi example ani a chu kan ensidanga workstation kan ti chuan keimani computer khani a kan computer atanga server in biak dan communicate dan kha kan sianga modem mangin ani a modem mang chuan public telephone network BSNL example a BSNL taila BSNL tangin internet ilai computer a chumi chu modem mangin modem kaltlangin server atang khan ti khan information kanin information kha kan access theini chu communication model akal dan phung. Hei hi source kan ti chuan generates data to be transmitted data ka transmit to generate na chu source ani a transmitter kan ti chuan converts data into transmittable signals khami data kha transmit thei turin athon thei turin transmittable signal a lo siam tu chu transmitter ani a transmission system kan ti ve thung chuan data keng tu ber kha transmission system ani a receiver kan ti chuan convert received signal into data a data donakha a data kha received thei tur signal a lo convert kha receiver chuan atia destination ani chuan amun na lo thleng tur amun lo thleng to angani tani chu destination. Communication types. Communication hi chi thum oma unicasting multicasting le broadcasting ani a unicasting kan ti chu 1 to 1 ani a thian le thian in biak ang chi te unicasting chu ni unicasting communication multicasting kan ti chuan 1 to many pakhat example a zirtir tu pakhat oma no pangtham taka oma chu multicasting pakhat atanga tamdewa chhuak kha multicasting chu ni. Broadcasting kan ti ve thung chu 1 to all ani a example a news te khatiang news broadcast em khatiang kan ti chuan news puang tu kha pakhat a oma chu kan vai mipui Mizoram mipui khan kan ngai thlak thei tura lo broadcast ang te kha khatiang kha broadcast communication chu ni adota chuan network type chithuma oma ama sabera hian local area network kan enanga local area network chu LAN po kan ti thina ni local kan ti hian achiang emema local kan ti chuan kan omna chevel small area a confined chu privately owned nei tumumal nei thlap khami area chin na kha soina ni a chu tiang network chu small room emo single building emo at most across the campus kan campus thleng huam chin ang kha local area network chu ni a local area network chu also win kan distinguish theya chu character pathum mang hian ani a ama sabera size a size zer khan kan also win kan distinguish theya chu 1 kilometer of radius huam chin a kha LAN chu ni transmission technology kan ti hian a data a transfer dan rate zer khan kan distinguish theita 10 mbps atanga 1000 mbps aron tia mbps lampum chu megabit per second ania second khata megabit sang khatin chu LAN ti te khan all subdewin kan classify theini topology kan ti chuan refers to physical arrangement of placing computers topology kan ti chuan computer kan rem dan kha topology chu ni bus topology chu alar mani adot leya metropolitan area network oma metropolitan area network kan ti chu local area network aya huam zau to metropolitan cities te kan neya India rama pon Delhi te Mumbai te khatiang zau zonga a cities metropolitan cities anga almanang chi te metropolitan area network ani a chu geographic region of a size of a metropolitan area aron ti ni wide area network chu aming tangpona shat emema pathum na chu large geographical area zau tak mai internet manga kan zom don chuan wide area network chu ani a kan mananga ya chu country or continent zomnan ani chu privately owned nei tu mumal kha nei ve theilawa heta local area network chu mani building chung te mani campus chung te computer in zom khom computer networking kan ti don chuan ti khan fel fai dewin nei tu mumal khami campus chin chu mi te internet tiang chi ten fel fai owner kha om theya wide area network a chuan privately owned kha om ve lawani next chuan comparison of networks to me network pathum te chu kan compare local area network to within a building ani building pakhat floor chi chang a anda in zom khom ang ti te po kha LAN anti a metropolitan area network a chuan across buildings or small town te takte chung computer network ka in zom kha man chu ni wide area network a chuan no geographical boundaries a intia geographical boundaries kha ve tak lawani very high speed LAN a chuan a speed kha chak emema metropolitan area a chuan lower speed when compared to LAN ai chuan a muang ani wide a chuan wide area network a chuan a location zir khan a service kha a chakin a chak lo ve ni chuanin heta a device connection ti nan an man chu LAN a chuan switch le hub an manga metropolitan area network a chuan router te switch te hub te an mangani wide area network ve thunga chuan telephone line te fiber optic te satellite te an mangani LAN chu guided media amanga guided le unguided oma guided media le unguided media omzia chu guided media ti chu shuya in thun zom ti na ni unguided ti chu wireless choina ni LAN a chuan guided media amanga man ve thunga chuan guided media le unguided kha akopani achul khan I unguided and manga atul lo na guided media khan mang ti na ni ta a wide area network a chuan guided le unguided kha an mang kop bokani hei hi a picture chu kan enanga kan she thia menga LAN a chuan building pakhat floor in ang lawa in zom khom computer kha LAN ania local area network ania man kan ti ve thung chuan hei building chi shang across the building or small town ain ti kha chu metropolitan area network ania WAN kan ti ve thung chuan I khatiang men tap tak om khom khan WAN kha ron siamani kha types of computer network ania chi thuma oma LAN man le WAN computer network kan ti chu computer in thunzom communication ti nante resource in shared thei nante information in shared thei nante kan man khani a chuanin first network chu ARPANET kan ti khani ole he video hian hemi thleng hi ni ro se kalome